All right, so we got a Google Nest thermostat. It says no Wi-Fi connection and then no power. So it caused a lot of problem. It wasn't turning on, and when it turns on, it wasn't connecting to the power. It was saying that might be due to the battery. And I see some of the Google Nest, they have charger placed in the back, but I don't have, so it powers with the battery and then directly through the wire. So when I turned it on, it was saying that E298, and it wasn't heating up the house. The wiring and everything was correct. It was working fine, and all of a sudden it didn't work for a couple of days. So I called the HVAC guy, but before that I tried to do it myself, like troubleshoot it, and I couldn't do it. So what I figured out about this furnace over here, Goodman. So the switch is over here, which powers the thermostat, and then whenever I was turning it on, it was tripping the breaker. So I was turning it off and turning it on, back on, tried a couple of things, and it was tripping, and then it stopped tripping, and then I see that the E298 disappeared from the thermostat, but whenever I turn on the heat, it wasn't connecting to the heat pump, furnace. And what we did for our project over here, we changed out the thermostat, because whenever we were turning on the heat on the Google Nest, it was actually engaging the AC instead of the furnace. So that's kind of weird. So somebody might have more knowledge and explain it to us, but we just changed out the thermostat. We didn't have time to dig into it, like try to find out like what's going on with the thermostat. So it's just better for us just to replace the thermostat. And the thermostat is working fine, like, but the programming just messed up, so I might have to replace it or return it to Deccan Light, because I got it as a rebate, and I got a good deal on it, but still, like a smart thermostat, it's not working. So all right, so we got a Sensei new thermostat, so I'm gonna put the heat on.